Hey there, welcome back to our workshop tip series. Today we're diving into something super crucial for anyone doing precision work: common grinding wheel issues. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding these problems and their solutions can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. Let's get started. Question 1. How do you choose the right grinding wheel? Well, picking the perfect wheel is key to getting your grind on, right? First off, consider the hardness, toughness, and what you need to achieve with your workpiece. This will dictate the wheel's material and grit size. Next, look at the wheel's hardness and bond type. You want it to stay stable and shaped up during the grind. Question 2. What kind of dressing and maintenance do grinding wheels need? Over time, wheels wear down, so dressing and maintenance are non-negotiable. Use tools like oil stones, diamond pens, or dresser rollers to restore that sharp edge and precision. Don't forget to clean off the wheel regularly. You don't want debris or coolant gumming it up, and store them properly, keeping them away from moisture. Heat and bumps. Question 3. What common equipment failures happen during grinding, and how do you prevent them? Vibrations in the spindle, overheating motors. These can be a pain. They're often due to wear and tear, poor installation, or rough handling. Regular checkups, replacing worn parts, proper installation, and sticking to the operating manual can keep these issues at bay. Question 4. How do you avoid sudden grinding wheel fractures? Fractures are serious safety hazards, often linked to incorrect wheel choice, loose mounts, or operator errors. Always match your wheel to your machine, install it right, and keep a close eye on it during use. If anything looks off, stop immediately and inspect. Question 5. Why might the workpiece surface quality not meet standards after grinding? Poor surface finish could mean your wheel's too worn, your parameters are off, or your coolant isn't doing its job. Review your wheel's condition, tweak your process, and maybe switch up your coolant for better results. Question 6. What should you do if your grinding wheels wear too quickly? Wear and tear eating up your budget. Try refining your grinding parameters, opting for more durable wheel materials, or stepping up your dressing and maintenance routine. Question 7. How do you control the contact area between the grinding wheel and the workpiece? Controlling that contact area is vital for efficiency and quality. Adjust your wheel's angle, the grinding pressure, and feed rate to get just the right amount of contact. So there you have it, folks. From selecting the right wheel to troubleshooting common issues, mastering the art of grinding takes knowing these tricks of the trade. Remember, it's all about balance: the right wheel, the right maintenance, and the right techniques. Keep grinding, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy grinding.